It is now 7:07 in the morning, so now to get back home from here it requires, hang on, I'll put it back on the position so that I can hold it. It will require me to, oh no, it's only a minute extra, so it's 7:07. If I do my 2-minute videos, so I will look back on this video and see the difference in the sun in walking through here at this precise time of 7 o'clock. The journey back with no sunlight at all, with no sunlight. Now when they put a boardwalk on here, and the little bird huts, bird watching area, the light of the sun is just emerging, they're gone. Start to get light of the sun. There, the disco begins. Full sun in 10 seconds. This is the early sun, the first rays of the sun. Not a full bright sun yet. It's 6 degrees today. No one would be out on 6 degrees. No one at all. Absolutely not a single person would be out in 6 degrees, would they? Not even those fishermen yesterday. Oh well, it was practically 10 degrees yesterday, but now it is the cold. And here I'll change position to the sun, the full sun. This is where we go to get the massive sun effect. And there it is. There's the river. Yeah, this sends me back to going to Canberra, doing all this. Canberra in the cold, frosty morning. Who would be a homeless student going walking around Australia in the cold, frosty mornings? I don't even understand myself why I went around in July. Why did it go in July? What was the What was the fascination of walking on the beach from Byron Bay to Canberra? Oh well, I took a few bus routes between there. I didn't go all the way Byron Bay to Canberra. There's no way you'd be wanting to walk along the highway all the way to Canberra. The logic was in itself. The logic of the walk to Canberra. Now, the 4 minutes. Got some on it. Oh yeah, there's 4 minutes. Okay, we can stop. Got 2 down.